So welcome to module 5 of the LinkedIn Bootcamp, and in this module I am really going to be showing you something so crazy, and this is the exact scripts that I use, and this is the 3-step setup that you'll use to immediately get someone's phone number, to immediately get someone's email address so that you may reach out to them. So stay tuned on this module. This is the climax, and this is the best thing that will really help you get more leads, get more sales, and also rank advance in your network marketing business. So the first thing that you want to do is jump into your LinkedIn profile. As you can see, I'm on my LinkedIn profile, and hey, I got a privilege actually to get a picture with Matt Morris. If we know Matt Morris, he is the guru, the Mongol in the network marketing industry. So the first thing is, you remember I told you on LinkedIn we have over 500,000 plus people who are looking for a new opportunity. So what you want to do is, on the search button, you want to type for people who are looking for an opportunity. And guys, look, the numbers are still shooting up. Look at this, 610,000. Last time I did the search, it was 500,000. This time as I'm doing this module, it's 610,000. All right, during the other times it will still shoot and shoot. And let's try to put for a new opportunity. Let's try to look looking for a new opportunity. I am currently looking for a new opportunity. Let's say I'm currently looking for a new opportunity. All right, what you want to do is you click the search. Let me show you the full way. Click the search button and then type looking for a opportunity, looking for a new opportunity, and then click search, and then make sure to come here to people. Then when you click people, you'll see the numbers. All right, this is 63 results. It also depends actually on what you'll type here up. So the one I really recommend is looking for, I don't know why my search is actually going that way. So looking for an opportunity, right? That's the first one that we did, and we saw 610,000. So let's see how you're really able to message these people. Remember, the first thing that you want to do is click the connection, and if you're using your laptop, you add a note. But if you're using your phone, you'll not be able to add a note, but you can just still send the connection message, which is good, and then you'll just do the second message that I'll be sharing with you. So let me just jump on the exact scripts that I use when I'm targeting people who are looking for an opportunity. And this is just one method that you can use. There is also the second method, which is the professional one, and the one that is more faster. I usually say there are different ways that you can decide to move into a certain direction. Maybe you can take a plane, right? And if you can decide to go with a bicycle, or you can decide to go with a jet. So this one is the bicycle way, right? And it's totally free. It's a very free method. And I just want you to start getting some leads on LinkedIn. So let me just get into my presentation here, and then I'll show you the exact scripts that you should do. So what is the first message that you're supposed to send? The first message is a let's connect message, and that's when you've hit the connection button. And after hitting the connection button, this is the first note you send. And if you're using your phone, you can just hit the connection button, and then you can still send this message. Message one, let's connect. Hello, name, I just took some time to go through your profile. I see you are looking for a new opportunity, and I thought it will be cool to connect. Then wait for them to respond. What do you think they'll respond? Thank you. Or some people also will not respond, but they will accept your connection, right? When someone now accepts your connection, but if you're using a phone and you send the connection and someone has already accepted the connection, don't use this as the first message. If you're using your phone, don't use this as a first message. But if you're using your laptop, use this as the first message, because you'll able, before even you connect with this person, because on the connection tab, you'll click connect, and then it will tell you add a note, and then add this message as a note. Let's connect. Hello, Dennis. I just took some time to go through your profile. I see you are looking for a new opportunity, and I thought it would be cool to connect. And I want to give you the psychology of this. The reason why you're saying that I just took some time to go through your profile, this makes your prospects feel like, hey, this person is investing their time to go through my profile. There is the law of reciprocity. If I scratch your back, you'll be willing to scratch my back. So this is the psychology in this end. When you use this, you get great responses. And then the second message is the thanks for connecting message. Thanks for connecting message. And if you're using your phone, you're not able to send the first message, you just send a direct connection. And then when someone connects with you, now this one becomes your first message, which is the thanks for connecting message. So it says, thanks for connecting, Dennis. The reason why I am reaching out is I am working on a new project. And as I mentioned earlier, I saw you are looking for a new opportunity. Just curious, will you be open to take a look at some information? So there is no, on LinkedIn, there is nothing like building great rapport or this is how you build rapport on LinkedIn, because people there are open for new opportunities. And yes, someone is already telling you that he is looking for an opportunity. Why should you go start talking about your country? How is your city? How is the weather? Nobody is interested in that kind of small talk. People are there and they're saying, hey, I'm looking for an opportunity. So just dive into it and then hit the elephant in the house by stating the reason. Why am I messaging you? And this, you can see the reason why I'm reaching out to you. All right, someone now is able to give you their ears and listen. Yes, why are you reaching out to me? I am working on a new project. Oh, a new project? I'm actually looking for an opportunity. Remember, don't say that, don't use, I don't like using these words. This is on my opinion. They really don't look very professional on my side. I'm working on a new opportunity. Yo, man, I'm working on a way, I don't know, all those funny words you use. Stop using opportunity. Stop using those funny words. Use the word project. Project looks more professional. It looks more serious, and someone is able to respect you. I'm working on a new project, and as I mentioned earlier, I saw you are looking for a new opportunity. Just curious, will you be open to take a look at some information? And here you can add, let me just give you a bonus. You can just give them an out by saying, if not, no problem at all. And that's giving them an out, and that will increase your chances of someone reaching out to you and saying, hey, I'll be open to take a look at some information. And listen here, this is just the first stage of engaging with your prospect. You're not pitching, you're not telling them anything, all right? You are just asking them, you're just looking if they are open or not. If they're not open, no big deal at all. It's totally cool. But if they are open, what is happening is you're asking them if they are open to take a look at some information. You are not pitching your network marketing company here. Listen to me very clearly. So this is a soft drive into your in getting your customers' attention. This is a soft strike to really see if your prospect is open or not. And then that's when now, and this makes you look very professional, and you don't look salesy and spammy. So the start message is now sharing your opportunity, right? And this is now where it gets good. And this is the scripts that I use. Great, here is my phone number. And the reason why you want to give your phone number first, remember, this is a cold market. This is someone who doesn't know you. What you want to do is you want to air out, you want to clean up the environment and make it comfortable for them interacting with you and sharing their contact. And this is because also of the principle of reciprocity. If you scratch my back, I scratch your back. If you give me your number first, I give you back my number. So how can I contact you? And I promise I will be reaching out as soon as possible. So what you're doing here is you are the one with the deal. You don't want to act as if you are needy. You don't want to act as if you are begging for these people. And that's why you want to use the word I promise. All right, that's why you want to use the word I promise. And then the other part on this message is how can I contact you? Maybe this person will love you to contact them using this video will be a little bit longer, guys. It will be longer than 10 minutes because I really want you to get the understanding of this and get the psychology on this and how really it works. So this person, maybe they may want to share their email address, or they may want you to contact them with their phone number. Maybe they are not comfortable with sharing their email address, but they're comfortable with sharing their phone number. And this is a psychological trick also. How can I contact you? You have already, all right, you're showing them, hey, this is already happening. We are not bargaining. We are not bargaining if you're giving me your number or not. I've already given you your number, so it's all sorted. So what is remaining is you to take action, and you're giving me your number. And it's a posture way to really act very professional. And always remember this: when you're prospecting on LinkedIn, have your posture up 100%. Or you can use this second message. What's your email address? And I promise I'll be reaching out to you. This is very, very powerful, and I've been able to collect thousands and thousands and thousands of email addresses. Maybe I'll be showing you a social proof here on my network marketing company, because most of the people on LinkedIn are very, 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 very acceptive when it comes to providing them, sharing with you their email address, so that you may share with them the information that you wanted to share. So after this part, now this is where now it gets sweeter, and now this is where really now it really depends with your team and your company and what you guys in network marketing company you are, and how have you been able to really position your team to win through a system in place. And just for example, I will show you the exact system that we use with our team members, and that's how we really experience some great growth and really have great duplication. Because after this, what kind of message do you send your what kind of message should you send your prospects, so that they may really convert online, so that you may really leverage, all right? And for us, what we usually have a simple system, which is an app whereby it will really help you track the results. And for example, this is how the app works. Let me just show you. This is how the app works. As soon as someone gives you your email address, it is able to automatically follow up with your prospects, so that you may not look as needy, so much that you may not look as someone who is really depending on this person. And what you want to do is, in our team, I'm just showing you the system that you use in our team. As soon as someone gives you an email from LinkedIn, you just come, add their contact. All right, after you've added their contact, you come to the second step. You can choose a picture so that you can remember the person who you talked to. After adding their picture, you need to click import, and then the contact is imported into your funnel. We have already made funnels, marketing funnels for our team, whereby the whole system helps them do presentation. They even don't need to do any presentation. The whole system, it is automatically positioned to help them grow. And then we call this something that we call resources. Resources are the presentations that you are already made for our team. So as soon as you've added someone on the funnel, let's say for example, this is Tom Smith, you're already connected with them on LinkedIn, you're able to send them a presentation, right? And the presentation, this is something that is already made. And how do you send the presentation now? Very easy. Maybe you've talked with this person on LinkedIn. This is how the app looks like. You come and look at this person. What do you want to present to them? Is it the opportunity or product? You choose the opportunity, and then you come. What do you want to share with them? You want to share with them some resources, some information that they can go and click and watch. You click the share, and then this is a 9-minute overview that does the presentation for you. This is happening automatically. Remember, this is what you have been able to really bridge the gap of building offline or online for our team. And that's how we're really able to crush it and grow in a very high rate. And then you come and click LinkedIn and you send them the information. And as soon as you send them the information, this system starts tracking what they are doing. It starts giving you information. It tells you that, hey, Dennis has clicked here. All right, Brian has clicked here. So make sure to follow up with them. And I really just want to show you, for example, this is the system, right? Let me just jump into my dashboard. You're given a dashboard, you're given the whole, this thing is already set up for you, and it tracks you. How many exposures have you done in a month? How many emails? You can see how many emails I've collected, total email sent, how many people have signed up, monthly contacts campaign. And then the best part of this is it really helps you to do and automatically follow up using their emails and their phone numbers. The app automatically follows up with your prospects. And how sweet is that? I usually find people just signing up in my network marketing company, just even without talking with them, because we have a system in place that is already doing the work for you and it's helping you really dominate. And you can see we have the campaign here. When you click at the campaign, these are some of the emails that you'll be sent. You can see use the campaign, and this is the Dreamship product. This is the business opportunity. As soon as someone shares their email address, let's view the campaign. These are some of the emails that they start receiving. You can see day 1, right? They receive day 2, day 3, they receive day 7, they receive an email, and this system works automatically. And then you also have a coaching place whereby you're given a get started training. All you can just do is go log in and take a look at everything on how the app works. So I just want to give you a call to action, guys. I'll be dropping a link below. All right, just click on it to be able to just really understand how to really automate your business and how we are really doing as a team, how we are really automating the business of our team. So I'll be dropping a link below to be able to take a look how we are really building our business online, how we are really building with the funnel, whereby everything is already set for you. So make sure to take a look at the link below in the description below, and make sure also to subscribe on this channel, hit the notification button, drop some thumbs up below, and also drop some comments below if you use the scripts that I've shown you and you're starting to get results, right? And also I would love you to hear how have you seen this system, how it's working, and how do you like it? Because everything we have just automated everything. So cheers everyone. I'll be waiting you into the next video, into the next module, which will be the module 6, and that will be a fire video. Be blessed.